Mahatma Gandhi once said, "The earth has enough to satisfy everyone's need, but not everyone's need." The statement pretty much brings out the idea of conservation and usage of energy. The energy is the capacity of a physical system to perform a task. It is available in various resources such as light energy, heat energy, kinetic energy, or potential energy. Such as ecosystem is dependent on the input of energy, the human society is also dependent on the energy uses for infrastructure, transport, food availability, etc. However, the humans lack in the availability of energy and the transformation of energy is still underway. We can conquer all this by some efforts. So today, we the students of class 10 shows are here to enlighten the different sources of energy. The wind energy presented by Mukti.
The earth has power. Let's switch it on. Wind is the natural movement of air across the land or the sea. The wind, when used to turn the blades of a windmill, turns the shaft to which they are attached. This movement of shaft through a pump or a generator produces electricity. The potential for wind generation for grid interaction has been estimated to about 1,02,788 megawatts. India has the fourth largest wind power installed capacity in the world. Private agencies own 95% of wind farms in India. Wind energy is advantageous as it is environment friendly, it is freely and abundantly available. Do you know? Denmark is also known as the country of winds. Nearly 25% of electricity required is obtained in windmills. Remember, wind energy would stop the earth from rotating. Thank you.
Solar energy staged by Diya Singla.
Our sun is a source of all lives on the earth. The sun gives us light which gets converted into energy known as solar energy. It has been used by thousands of years by the people all over the world. The oldest use of the solar energy are heating, cooking and drying. But nowadays its application is also found on many things like spacecrafts, rooftops, cookers, calculators, etc. The solar cookers works on the principle of solar energy that the sunlight warms the pot and cooks the food. Here, the mirror focuses the sun rays onto the reflector such as cooking pan. The principal advantage associated with the solar energy is that it is natural source and available in abundance and does not causes the pollution. The countries that produces the solar energy are China, India, Japan, Vietnam, US, etc. So, when the sun is bright, say no to tube light.
The forms of ocean energy tabled by Jasmine Kaur.
Energy from sea. Ocean covers 70% of area on the earth and produces enormous amount of energy. And the energy is obtained in the form of tidal energy, wave energy and ocean thermal energy. Tidal energy. Every 12th hour, the energy is obtained due to the gravitational movement of the moon. And approximately 12,000 of milliwatt energy has been formed till now. Wave energy. Wave energy is produced due to the movement of sea waves and many devices have been obtained for the obtaining of wave energy. Ocean thermal energy. To derive ocean thermal energy, the temperature at the surface of the sea and the depth of the sea should be at the difference of 20 degrees Celsius. And this is important for the derivation of ocean thermal energy conservation power plant. Scientists believe that oceans are the tremendous amount of energy and we need to conserve our oceans. And it is rightly said, be a honest man, ocean isn't a garbage can. Thank you.
Geothermal energy unfolded by Sakshi.
It's that heat which no one can beat. Geothermal energy is heat within the earth. The word geothermal comes from the Greek words geo, meaning earth, and thermal meaning heat. It is a renewable energy source because heat is continuously produced inside the earth. People use geothermal heat for bathing, to heat buildings, and to generate electricity. In the summer, some heat pumps can run in reverse and help cool buildings. Looking to the past, people have used this energy as hot mineral springs for bathing, cooking, and eating. Most people in Iceland use geothermal energy to heat water and buildings. Many of the best locations for geothermal energy is found in the Ring of Fire, a horse-shaped area around the Pacific Ocean. Lastly, the energy is found on the land of high passes, namely Ladakh, where it is used to produce electricity, acting as a boon for man.
Nuclear energy, a boon recited by Loveleen.
Nuclear energy, curse or boon. Nuclear power, we all have heard of it as it is probably the most modern generator of electricity available right now. Nuclear power is the energy which is produced by the use of a controlled nuclear fusion. Many nations use nuclear power plants to generate electricity, as nuclear power is the fourth largest source of electricity. There are about 422 nuclear reactors available in the world right now. In India, 6 nuclear power plants are known to be located in the states of Gujarat, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. There are various reasons why nuclear power stations should be built in the various parts of the world, as nuclear power produces electricity without wasting any natural resource. It is inexpensive, it can be transported very easier, and it is one of the most and readily available source of energy. So we should avoid energy confusion and power up with fusion. Thank you.
Biomass, addressed by Kamalpreet Kaur.
Biomass energy. Biomass is a renewable as well as a clean source of energy. The plant fixes solar energy through the process of photosynthesis to produce biomass. The biogas plant lowers methane emissions by capturing this harmful gas. Instance, 40% of rural households in our country use biomass. In Japan, biomass fuel requirement is estimated to be millions of tons each year. The widespread use of biomass is for household cooking and heating. Biomass is used as an alternative for charcoal, wood, oil, or dried dung. As it is a renewable source of energy, it can be used again and again. It is environment friendly. It is a cheap source and will remain always available on Earth. It is my request to all the viewers to protect sources and use alternate sources of energy to save our planet. Go green, don't be mean.
Do the earth a favor, be an energy saver. Thank you.